Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. It's May 10th, y'all. So I just thought I'd just turn on the camera. It's late evening, y'all. It's like 6. I think it's going on 6:30. But I just popped in just to say hi, see how everybody's doing. How's your day going? Just actually sitting down in the back, just looking at the bees and getting some vitamin D before the sun goes down. But I had something to show y'all today, and I just got through eating dinner, which was amazing. I'm gonna throw in a picture of my salad, y'all. It was so good. So I'll throw in a picture of that here, and trying to think what else what I'm gonna bring y'all on, because this video is gonna be short. Oh, since we're here, let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Uh oh, y'all. These bees, I'm not playing with them. I'm not playing with them. But I did get a bag of dirt for the new plant pot that we have. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I'm gonna show you something else. So this is the bag of dirt. It's organic, rich potting soil. It's for indoor. It's indoor, outdoor, right here. And then let me show you guys. We have something coming up right here. I think it's garlic, if I'm not mistaken. Take you guys inside, and I'm going to show you something else. So yeah, guys, I hope y'all can see me. The camera had did something that seemed like it got dark, so I hope you guys are not dark. But anyway, guys, let me show y'all something that I picked up yesterday, which I'm so happy about. Y'all look, your girl got a 3-way soil meter. It runs by no batteries, and it's so funny because when I went in that place, I couldn't really like see the small words right here. And when I put my glasses on yesterday after I got home and got situated, it actually says that it takes no batteries. It says no batteries needed. The lady couldn't even see it either. So y'all got a moisture meter. So that kind of gave me the reason to make this video today. So guys, guess what? We're going to do a plant update really quick, and then that's going to be it. All right, so let's get started with how Sonia's plants are doing. All right, y'all ready for this? I am. I'm ready to show you guys how my babies are doing, how they thirst and thrive through the winter and spring. And yeah, we're still in spring. We're not in summer. So yeah, let's get started. All right, guys. So since we're in the front room, the family room, well, sitting room, living room, whatever you call it, I got both of my Philly figs in here. So we're gonna start off with this one right here. So as you can see, she's doing very well, y'all. Now I did have to move her from here to over here because I felt like it was getting more light. You guys know she got a new leaf here and a new leaf there. And then it looks to be something new. Hold on, guys. Let's see, there's a new one coming right here. So she's doing pretty good. So we're gonna still continue to work on that one. And guys, look at Big Bertha. Big Bertha is doing well herself. I did remove her pot, you guys. I'll show you where I end up putting that. But I put her to the floor because y'all know she hits the ceiling. So this is how she's doing. This is the top of her. I had to go really high. So if you guys can see, like right here, there is another baby growing right there. So she's doing very good. So let's go to the next one. So guys, here we are in the kitchen, and you guys know this is my snake plant, Mother's Tongue. She's doing very good. Now I did have to cut one of her things off here, but she's doing really good. And I have her right here on the island kitchen table. She's doing really good. So let's move on to the next guys. So in the office, you guys know I added the Dracaena in here by the window because as you can see, it is sunny. She's getting a lot of light right here. Maybe I can open up the curtain. Oh, a little bit more. I almost knocked her out her pot. Girl, woo. We don't want to hurt her. But she's doing real good, y'all, as you can see. So that is her base now. That's what the base looks like. Sorry, guys, for the glare, okay? So that's what she's looking like right now. And like I said, she's really growing really good, as you can see. Okay, so that's the Dracaena. Now let's move on to the next one, but she's doing really good, y'all. All right, guys, moving right along. You guys, here's the ZZ. You guys remember these two babies here? Look how green and lush they are. Look at that. I told you guys. She's so pretty. So those are her new extensions right now. New shoots, and they're looking marvelous, and they look very, very healthy along with the others. So that's how the ZZ plant is doing, and that is her stand. She's so pretty, y'all. She's so pretty. So pretty. So that's her. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Guys, without further ado, I'm about to introduce y'all, last but not least, my baby. Because, guys, she's doing amazing. Like, I'm so excited, and you guys are going to see why I'm so excited. So let me turn you guys around so you can see why I'm so excited, okay? Look at my baby. She is thriving. You guys know this is my Monstera plant. And look at her leaf there, guys. She is absolutely gorgeous. Look at those shoots coming off of her. Absolutely beautiful, y'all. Here's another one opening up there. And I just been rotating her. I've been watering her really, really great. This is where I put that other plant stand that Big Bertha was in. Now it's in here, and I love how that looks, y'all. It's not too awkward. It looks very, very nice in this space. And for Iris, you asked me, what would I put in this corner? And remember, I told you I will put a plant in this corner, and that's exactly what I've done, y'all. Look at that. She is so, so pretty. I got to get a green screenshot of this Monstera and how she made it back to life, y'all. Look at that. Look at her. Look at her body. Look at her amazing body. Look at that. New shoots all in here, everywhere, y'all. All right, guys, that is going to do it for me. I just wanted to give you guys an updated plant tour. I hope this was beneficial to you guys. Always talk to your plants, water your plants. And just the fact that I was gifted or blessed being in the right place at the right time for a moisture meter, it's amazing. Like, it's amazing. And I thank him for directing me to that moisture meter, because it's going to help me a lot. Even though I keep track of my plants, it still would help me a lot that I have something to help me out. But y'all, they're gorgeous, right? Okay, guys, I will see you all in my next video. You already know, right? I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Bye. Hey guys, we're back. So actually the first time y'all seen me, oh yeah, today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, May 16th? I think it's May 16th. That's why y'all face off or something. But anyway, I went to Walmart today. My plan was to go to look for a plant. So I'm just letting you guys know that Walmart does not, let me roll my windows out. Walmart does not sell plants anymore, like house plants. So that's a no-go, which I was upset about. Not real upset, but I was upset. And then I also went to Target to see if they had any. They didn't have any. So I picked up spray paint while I was in the Walmart because I'm gonna work on a project. I'll show you guys. I'll put it in this video. So I don't know, y'all, if I'm going to actually. I like that white flower pot that I bought, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it because I don't really have no other plant to put in there. So, and I may just take it back to. I might just take it back to Target. So, yeah, but I did buy some. Let's see. I bought some coffee creamer. I can show y'all why we're in the car. So I bought some coffee creamer. Y'all, my stomach hurts so bad. I gotta use the bathroom. I don't care. I gotta use the bathroom. But I bought this coffee creamer at Walmart. I mean, not at Walmart, at Target. And it was like $3 and some change. So that's what it looks like. So anyway, I will see you guys when I get home. And I'll show you guys what I'm gonna use the spray paint for. All right, guys, I'm home. And I'm gonna show you really quick the things that I wanted to show you guys. Oh, but if you want to know, this is the spray paint that I picked up from Walmart, and I'll show you guys really quick what I'm going to spray. I am going to spray these here. You guys should remember the candlesticks. I'm going to spray these. I just don't like, it's just too much black in here. So I'm going to spray all 3 of these. And then I'm also going to go over this tray here. So as you can see, Sonia, yeah, she done got rid of some more. Not rid of stuff, I just replaced some things. So I'm going to do this tray over. And let me show y'all why I got this door open in the front. Let me show you guys, because I know some of you probably are wondering, we always see the backyard, but you don't see the front. So I'm going to show you the front without showing you guys too much, if you can understand what I'm saying. The front, I'm just showing you guys a little bit. There is, you know, all over here we have the rock garden. It goes out, it bowls out, and then it comes in. And this here, I think I'll put seeds in for some flowers. And yes, the yard has been mowed really, really nice. I'm just showing you guys. There's 2 sides. There's a walkway. Then we have our mat here, if you can see. And then there's another part of rock garden over here. We have, if you guys can see right here, we have, what is that called? A hosta, which the deers be eating on, which I can't stand. And then right here, you know, right over there, you guys can see the landscaping around that one and the landscaping around the Chinese evergreen right there. Okay. All right. So guys, I got the meter out today because I want to actually show you guys that this really, really works. Okay. So on this side, we have where it says moist. The middle is light, and then the other one is like the pH level, like alkaline. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my plant today, and it's going to show you, it's going to read. Do y'all see it? It's reading right here, everything. I know it's a lot of light, but it's telling me I have enough light because it's supposed to be almost at 1,000. So you guys can see that, right? And then it tells you it's supposed to be over 4 for this because I followed my measurement stick thing over here, and for a philodendron, you probably can see it on here. I can't see it. I don't have my glasses on. But guys, the meter does work, and I'll show you. I'll take it out, and then you'll see that it moved. You get what I'm saying? So I'm going to stick it back down in there. Focus camera. So do y'all see it now, how it moved? Y'all know it's the light is very light in here, but it works, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that it works. And then even though I know it's the next couple days later, I got another one here opening, and then the one I showed y'all last time, she done opened already right here. So I'm gonna take you guys outside and show you the raised bed, what's growing in there really quick, and then I'm gonna end the video out with me spray painting the items and what they look like. And yeah, guys, don't forget to like the video, y'all. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you like this channel. I know it's like a minimalist, like slow living channel, and if that's what you like and you come here, you know, go ahead and subscribe, support me, okay? So I'll show you guys the raised bed and the outside. I had to come back because I don't know if you guys understood what I was saying. So the white pot from the last clip of the last video, this is the white pot. So I don't have any other plant here, like far as a, you know, like a baby off of another one to put in here. So I think my plan, what I'm going to do is Big Bertha needs to be replanted. She actually needs to be replanted. I'm going to show you how and why. Like right here, you probably can see like her roots. See her roots coming out? So she needs to be repotted. So my plan is going to be just take that plant, just take this pot back and go ahead and invest in a bigger pot for Big Bertha. And I'll bring you guys along for that. So yeah. So guys, here's a sneak peek of everything. Remember I showed y'all it was just a little bit. Look how much we got now. And I think, I don't know what this is, but it's coming up. And as you can see, I got some here. But I think these are onions right here. So that's the update on the raised bed, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm just giving y'all a snippet of the yard right now. It looks really good. Really, the lawn looks really, really healthy. And I'm just showing you guys how everything looks now, like the garden, you know, the rock areas, the rock garden and things like that, the pavers. Don't mind that, you guys know I'm old school. That's the comforter I washed and put out here to dry. And this is the area now. And a fence is going to get put up over here on this side to keep the deers away. But in the meantime, this is how everything is growing. That would have been bigger, this other hosta, but the deers keep coming back here eating all my stuff. So this is how that looks, y'all. Deers ate on this Alberta spruce as that one. You guys know those were from last year or the year before, and they could have been bigger, but the deers. And then this is our fire pit that needs to be spray painted in the inside. And then I'm gonna go ahead and walk over here. And this is one of the pots I'm gonna put seeds in. I'm gonna go to Dollar General or Dollar Tree one day, really Dollar Tree, and get seeds to put in this pot, and then the one in the front yard I showed you. And so far I only put out 2 chairs, y'all. And like I said, this thing here is gonna host candles, citronella candles for the mosquitoes, and the 2 hooks are gonna have pots on them for herbs. So yeah, I'm gonna go in, y'all. Get stung by a bee. But remember what I said to subscribe, and I'm going to put in the rest of this video. I'm going to put in me spray painting my items, okay? So guys, right here, I had some leftover paint. You guys know I'm always doing something, but I had some leftover paint, and it's actually garbage day soon, so I wanted to get rid of this container. So that's why I decided to paint the top of this.